Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the numbers from 1 to 10. We will be tracing all these numbers and color them with different colors. Let us get started. We will do the color name. This is blue color. This is purple color. This is yellow color. This is dark green color. This is pink color. This is brown color. This is orange color. This is light green color. This is red color. This is black color. This is dark blue color. So we will start tracing all these numbers. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. 2. This is 3. 3. This is 4. 4. This is 5. 5. This is 6. 6. This is 7. 7. This is 8. 8. This is 9. 9. This is 10. This is 10. So kids, we have colored from 1 to 10. We will again color 1 to 10 with different color. This is 1. 1. This is 2. 2. This is 3. This is 3. This is 4. This is 4. This is 5. This is 5. This is 6. This is 6. This is 7. This is 7. This is 8. This is 8. This is 9. This is 9. This is 10. This is 10. I hope you like coloring all these numbers. We will start to read once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you kids for coloring these numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.